Hello everybody and welcome back to Ordinary Adventures. Today I'm at Hollywood Studios. It is December 5th. That is the opening day of Rise of the Resistance, the new ride in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. It is opening day, which means there aren't media restrictions. People can record on the rides. Come with us on this adventure. This is not a promising update indeed.
Have a good day today.
Thank you.
There is no balance, Jedi. The dark side will always be stronger.
I love Disneyland, but one of the things I'm always going to be jealous of over at Disney World is the epic-sized AT-AT that they have there in Ewok Village. We just don't got that in California. Don't have the room. I didn't record all the pre-show elements like I did in our previous video. I'll put a link to that up above and below so you can watch those now. Then if you want to see the ride itself, it's about to come on. So if you don't want to be spoiled, turn it off here. If you want to see the whole thing in its entirety, you can watch it now.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company first order TIE fighters. Reload! True Blue Flag, we're gonna clear a path so transport can make a jump. I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming.
By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Little Twig, get out there!
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Only fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in Attention Block 3.
Cover's blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Juliet, detachment to level D.
Fire! Take cover, recruits! If anyone's finding a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down, up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm. All personnel to their stations. Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. and the Resistance. Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his copy.
Lieutenant back here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
How awesome is that ride? I can't wait to go on it more and more and more. Hollywood Studios has all its Christmas decorations up and it looks quite festive. Ooh, event merchandise. Let's go check that out.
The studio needs filler.
I hear there's a new Star Wars coming out.
Huh? I don't do that science fiction stuff. I prefer westerns myself.
The event merchandise signs are taking us far away, which is funny. They're trying to get the crowds dispersed to the other side of the park.
Sorry, I left the red down in court over there. I'm sorry, Jeff.
That's cool. I got to see Jack Diamond in action. He is the mentor of John Armstrong, one of my good friends, who we featured in Frontierland over at Disneyland. I'll put a link above and below for that. Check that out if you want to see some cool magic. I now finally found the end of the event merchandise signs. Let's go in and see what kind of Star Wars Rise of the Resistance merchandise we can see. Got a whole list of merchandise here.
Yeah.
Can I grab one else?
Yeah.
So it looks like we have a bunch of t-shirts, hats, some toys, some magic bands. This is my Rise of the Resistance t-shirt. I got that at the Walt Disney Imagineering. It was an exclusive for that store only. So they're not going to have that in here, but let's see. You know, I was here on opening day, so I'd like to get some merchandise.
Ooh, these are released today as well.
Oh, Dio and...
Yep. And then the Mandalorian, do you see him? Oh, do you see him? You know, I don't got Baby Yoda yet.
Everybody loves Baby Yoda.
I know, everybody does. I love him too, but I don't have him just as yet. I hope I get him soon.
So they have a kids' tee for $24.99, has some X-Wings flying in the background. The ladies' tee is in a metallic on black. I actually like this a lot. If they sold this in a male variety, I'd probably get it. It's $34.99. Here's the Magic Band. This is a limited edition of 3,000. This is the regular version. They also have a pass holder exclusive version, which is in a gray color. And that's also 3,000. I think $34.99. Here's the adult male t-shirt. Not quite as cool as the woman's shirt. $34.99. Does have the X-Wings in the Rebel logo, which is kind of cool. And the Rise of the Resistance hats are $24.99. They have that same X-Wing in the background. And the back has the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge logo. And they also have a pass holder exclusive men's tee, $34.99.
This is a ride, a new ride, the Resistance.
Yeah.
They're gonna be here for 4 people, and also we have this one available too.
Oh, that's cool.
We have a different color, this car in blue, yellow, and black. And you're gonna be like this. You go over here. And also have a light over here.
So for those who don't know, that is the ride vehicle inside. That is the thing that you actually take on the Rise of the Resistance ride, and they actually made it. And you can fit your action figures on there, and it comes with the droid, the R-Unit droid that helps you escape the Star Destroyer. And how do you escape the Star Destroyer? you're going to take an escape pod, and that is that red thing that it goes into right there. So that's kind of cool that you can take home a piece of the ride. And I've heard that they actually sell this in first order cargo, because this is a first order ship and piece of first order technology. So you don't get it at Resistance Outpost. You actually get it at the first order part of Galaxy's Edge. That's $74.99. Oh, thank you so much.
I'm Joe.
So I'm thinking about buying this shirt, but nowhere on the shirt does it say Hollywood Studios or Walt Disney World. So I'm wondering, is this going to be the same shirt that they're going to have at Disneyland? Should I buy it? Or should I just wait? I'm going to pay with a credit card.
Okay, well, they're covered in stitches, but they keep doing it.
What are you talking about?
They're wild.
This is our last trip to Batuu, so if you want more of this, if you want to see our trip to the world premiere of Rise of Skywalker, please subscribe below. If you want to see some of our previous trips here to Galaxy's Edge, there's some videos above that you might want to check out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.